Muzeeyi olesa ekyana olaba kinyirira watali ttaala olaba mu ttaala kibeera muggo. Muzeeyi tukwaniriza olunaku olwaleero Aproposinze owuli otya okubanga ozzeemu okugwa mu laavu buto?
Mpulira bulungi.
Kiwulika kitya omuntu ng'ali mu laavu empya? Tunnyonnyolemu awo.
Siyinza bigambo kubanga nze tebadde empya. Ogambye kiwulika kitya omuntu nga
ali mu laavu empya?
Ali mu laavu empya. Eyange eno si mpya nnyo.
Laavu eno ebaddewo bbanga ki?
Egenda kwezamaza mwaka.
Egenda kweza mwaka. Mwasisinkana mutya?
Twasisinkana eyo
Nairobi. Ali ogenza ku business trip. Omukazi tabeera muno.
Yazze ku lwange.
Yazze ku propose oyo.
Yes.
We Nairobi naye. Bwe mwasisinkana olwo ekyana kikuba kitya olyoka okiza olabe nti kyekyo?
Sijja kuba museego kutuuka kubanyonnyola nti mwana we bati. Naye ye muntu wange gwe nafuna.
Muntu ayinza okwebuuza Aproposinze ogabe badde mu laavu ya mwaka ate wali ogenda kuwasa. Wali ogenda kuwasa ate ng'oli mu laavu.
Ebyo biveeko tomubuuza. Olina interest.
Wali oyisaamu gaali kulaba nekigaana okukwatayo n'okireka. Omukyalo ono yaani? Afi. Ku mulundi guno ono wamulabamu biki byolowooza nti ye bijja musobozesa okubeerawo okusinga bali abalala badde bakusumbuwa? Weebiri bingi bye wamusiimako. Kati emikolo tuddawa?
Emikolo
zijja kuba Nairobi. Kenya gye tugenda okwanjula tebaatuziririra ebintu ku mulundi guno Nairobi. Tetusuubirayo.
Olusimuyayi nga bali.
Bafanisa
abantu simuyayi.
Bali bayaaye.
Kati gatso zijjewo ezoga nti kalero kantamileke Aproposinze omukyalo ono. Ekirowoozo kijjeewa Lwasa?
Kati gwoyinza otya okumbuuza nti gatso zijjeewa nga ndi musajja?
Kuba abasajja bali mu myaka gyo tetubalabamu kirowoozo kya kusalawo kubuuza will you marry me?
Gye bali nno badde temunnabalawo.
Ng'opapye nnyo.
Mpapye gyonki. Ze mpapye?
Abantu beekwanira emyaka 5 7 n'alyoka Aproposinze.
Lwaki balina ssente?
Tukimanyi nti bakuyita mwami Lwasa Emmanuel, oli mwami Mukatoliki. Ate omukyala tulaba oba musiraamu. Ogenda kusiramuka oba ye yanajja mu ddiini?
Ekyo kyama kyaffe mukitulekere.
Madam Happy, how are you? You okay? How's everything? How do you feel okubanga they have proposed to you today?
Though I was so surprised, but I'm happy about it.
You are surprised?
Yeah.
You are not expecting it?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting.
Is this your first proposal in your life?
Yeah. Sure it is.
Did you talk about it before it happened?
No. Yeah.
So you're in love with him?
Yeah.
For starters, how did you meet Mr. Lwasa?
Well, as he told you, we met back home, my home in Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah. Nearby Westlands. Yeah.
So, were you on a business trip?
No, it was in a business trip. But for me, I was at my home.
You were in your home?
Yes, which is Kenya.
So,
Nairobi.
So you met at a hotel, a garden, where?
No, it was a garden. Let me say that it was a garden.
Was it was a garden?
Yeah.
So he came and approaches you, or he sent someone?
No, he sent someone who was working nearby there.
By then, and he told you what?
Of course, just ask for my number.
Lwasa tuli mu luzungu. Tuleke tutuuke mu luzungu. So he was asking for your number.
Yeah.
So then you did not ask my number for what? You just gave out your number?
Just gave out.
And he started the conversation. So did you meet him before he comes back, or you met after?
As in?
As in, you met him immediately after giving your number?
No, we met, I think he called me that day and he was like, he's in a business trip. He's a Ugandan. And I think it was a Friday. Then we met on Sunday. Yeah, at Westgates. Yeah.
Then you met and you talked?
Yeah.
You discussed? So what are some of the qualities you can list out to say that maybe these qualities attached me and I feel like I can fall in love with this guy?
He's so respectful.
How do you measure the respect?
A lot. He respects himself, he respects people around him, he respects people, his business partners, and he respects me. Yeah.
Have you ever had the scandals about him? Don't you get like scared?
Not at all.
Eh?
Not at all. I
Your
believe in myself.
hubby now, almost every month, he has a leading story in the news. Won't this affect your brand as a woman?
No, it won't. Yeah.
Have you made research before accept this proposal or this engagement about him?
As in,
Research about him.
come
Have you made research about Mr. Lwasa's profile before you accept this engagement?
Yeah, I did. Of course, I would have not accepted the proposal.
What have you found?
I just had a lot of, as you said,
Why you had what?
a lot of things, and I still decided to be with him.
Eh?
Yeah,
A lot of things.
yeah, but I still decided to be with him.
Are they lies or they are realities?
Well, to me, should I? Anyway, it's okay. I cannot say that it's a lie, but still, for me, I still choose him. You know, what you see in him, it's not what I see in him. Yeah, so for me, I see the best in him. Yeah,
Are you not money-minded about him?
not at all.
Because most of the women who have been falling in love with Mr. Lwasa, they have been money-minded.
Not at all, not at all. And he's sure about it. He has been back home at our home, and he knows what we are.
Yeah.
Yes.
In Kenya,
Yes.
he paid this there.
Yes, he knows home.
He knows.
He knows home. He knows where I come from. Like,
If you are about to explain about your family in just few words, how can you explain it?
Well, you will find out maybe next time, but all you should know that I'm not here for money. Here
You're here for what?
for love.
Does Mr. Lwasa
Marriage.
has love?
Yeah, he has.
Have you ever
For sure he
tested?
has.
He has love.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Why do you ask me that question?
Because I think I got in love. You are just a user. You use and dump.
Not against you.
So you are Muslim. He's a Catholic. How is it going to be embarrassed?
Well, the good thing is that he knows God and he believes in God. So it doesn't matter whether he's a Muslim, I mean whether I'm a Muslim or he's a Catholic, it doesn't make sense to me. Yeah. So we can still choose. On Friday we go to mosque, on Sunday we go to church.
As,
Two kids with the
has he introduced you to his family? Because the last woman who was there, he was complaining about Lwasa's family. That's the
Well, I met few people and for sure I like them.
the children. They are very stubborn. Would they allow you
But
in their
that's how
home?
they're supposed to be. Children, that's how they're supposed to be.
How old are you?
28.
28. In which year were you born, Mama?
Me? 1994, October 23rd.
94?
October 23rd.
Yeah.
1994, October 23rd.
23rd.
Yes.
So you have kids? You have no.
Yeah, I have a kid.
How many?
I have a kid.
You have
One
kids.
kid. One kid.
You'll find out.
So, are you not scared of Mr. Lwasa's exes to come and backlash against you?
When you're saying backlash, what do you mean that?
They can fight you because some of them, they're
Why?
still in love.
They're
They're still in love.
Let them know that I'm not a Ugandan, I'm a Kenyan.
You're Kenyan.
So they cannot be fit to go. Yeah.
So how are you going to balance this marriage? Because for maybe you're Kenyan, you may not be in the country for so long. For him, he's a businessman, he has businesses here. How are you going to balance the love?
We are still deciding.
You're still deciding. So when is the intro? Have you discussed about it? The intro?
In fact, it will be home, back home in Kenya. But
last time he had the intro, he was chased away from the Mukolo. So won't you chase him? Will you allow him to your parents' home?
Why not? Why would they chase him?
So you truly love him?
Yeah. I'm the one who chose him, not my parents.
Should we not see you coming in the camera crying again about being heartbroken?
Not at all.
Not at
I don't
all.
expect any tears.
Any tears? You're in serious love and serious relationship. Are you not in a hurry to be proposed at 1 year courtship?
Well, no. We are not in a hurry.
You're not in a hurry.
It's the right time.
It's the right time.
Yeah.
How do you measure the right time?
Like, what do you mean?
Like measuring, because some people they spend like 5 years, 4 years, 7 years, 10 years to come up with such an engagement or a proposal. For you just come within an interval of 1 year.
Well, have you never seen that people who has been in 8 years in a relationship and they have not proposed? They are there, out there. So for us, it's time. We believe that it's time.
It's
And
time.
we accepted each other. Yeah.
Mr. Lwasa is a businessman. He has a lot of enemies. Many people fight against him. How are you going to handle those challenges since you have come to his life?
I believe I can handle as a woman, as his woman.
You handle.
Yeah, I know.
Lwasa omwana omuwulidde.
muwulidde bwe temwina byemweyogeza munviire
yalondedde ddala kyapa manyago. Tutandikira ku ki kati omaze proposinga?
emikolo egiddako sira lwaki mwengi bategeeza nga bannamuwulire katubikole tunabibabuulira after
Temugendako Bulaaya kusooka ku vacation oluvannyuma proposal ya proposing. Tekyetaagisa.
mutuleke mulidde biddako
Magezi kigowa ababajja abalemedde ku lujja.
balina ebizibu byabwe
Bizibu ki ebalemezza ku lujja?
bajja byewaabwe bimutawaanya
ebyo byamulemesa okuwasa kuba naye yakola
naife tufuna abaana goona baana
bato ekyanambooko
ate ntubalabirira nyina mulabirira olugolaba
omusanze kinene bwe kityo twagala tugenda mutuukako ng'ajjudde enkuluusanyo
ate era talina gejja bwati njalakendere muka
lwaki oyagala nnyo ebyeru?
gwe tombuuza naawe nze saagala byeru njala mukazi
kyana kinyirira otambulira mu kala myufu zeezo za ddala.
ndoza zetitera okumukuba
enjo yali bwatyo.
Naye Lwasa oluswayiri oyinamu tunaongea Kiswahili.
naye nze omusajja eri munnamagye banene mubadde
Ni munnamagye.
mulina bizibu ki omusajja eri omujasi
Manyi laavu y'oluswayiri enyuma oyogera nga ffe abalwana tetumanyi kiddako.
tokiraba
Mugambe ebigambo by'oluswayiri nga 5 tugende.
sijja temuntawanya
Owalidde